Hello, friends of computers. Today we want to learn about something interesting, something that you've been waiting for, and this is it. We want to learn how to protect or safeguard against system crash. Now, system crash is inevitable. It can happen that it's as a result of your own input, or it can happen that it's a virus that is causing that. But all that we mind is that we want to get our machine back working, and this is what we want to learn. We want to safeguard against that when something like that happen, we can quickly go back to the time our machine is working fine. So let's get started. So to get your machine protected or safeguarded against system crash, you need to right click on system on this PC. Right click on this PC. When you right click, you see properties. Now some new machines doesn't come with this PC. So how do we bring about that? You click on File Explorer, which is at the bottom here on the taskbar. When you click on it, if you watch my previous video, you realize that this is not something that is new. So you right click on this PC, which will give you the same thing as you can see. Now in my next video, I think I will show you how to bring about these icons over here, especially this and this. When you run a new installation, you don't see this. So I think I will create another video to show you how to bring about these icons simply. So you right click on this PC, then select properties. Okay, click on select properties. At the left side of your window, at the left, as you can see, we have various links that leads us to a particular window. So where we want to go to now is what? System protection. So click on system protection. When you click on system protection, you will see that we have system restore, we have protection settings, and we have available drives over here. Available drives. Now under protection tab, you will see on, off, off. Now on the C drive, C drive in Windows is usually the system drive. The system drive. So you can see C drive is a system drive, and this is turned on. Now some versions of Windows don't put this thing on. So when yours is off, what you need to do is what? Click on configure. When you click on configure, as I've clicked, you will see turn on system protection, and you will see disable system protection, and usually yours will be here. If yours is here, then fine. Now at the disk space usage, now here, as you can see, some linear notches and things over here, you will see that you can drag and bring, and this increases your percentage. When you increase, you see 8% of my disk is what? 12.45 gigabytes. Now 12.45 gigabytes shows that this is the space I want to give for the system protection. So you can see current usage. My system was able to use 5.61 gigabytes, and yours, you might want to increase more than that. So I will give at least mine 10.89 gigabytes is given to my machine. Now to apply, you click on what? Apply, which means I've given 7% of my disk space, which is 10.89 gigabyte space. When you are done, kindly click on OK. When you click on OK, that is not all, friend of computers. That is not all. Let's get going. So when you are done, you need to click on create. Now here is the thing. You are going to create a restore point, and this is a snapshot of when your machine was working very, very fine. So click on create. When you click on create, you will need to name it. Yes, name your restore point. A restore point that you can remember that this is what you've created. So I will create what? Good points. Good points. So good points. When I'm done typing, I'll click on what? Create. You also click on create. So we'll wait for our machine to create a restore point. When it is done, you see a pop-up. A restore point has been done successfully. So wait for it, or I'll fast forward it. So as you can see, the restore point was created successfully. The restore point was created successfully. All right, close. So this has been created successfully, and anytime your machine run into a crash that you don't even know how it came about, you quickly use the system restore over here. So I'll click on it and you see what will come, system restore. You click on next. So good points, good points, good points. When you click it, immediately you click on finish, your machine will start preparing for a restore point. It will shut down what and start again. And when it is successfully done, your screen will come and tell you what your restore point has been successfully done. So I'll click cancel. You don't want me to click finish because the machine will just shut down and I will not get to record again. All right, so this is it. We are done, learning the part 1 of safeguarding against system crash. So now somebody will ask, how do I get to this place if my machine continue to shut down? That's also another thing that we will learn, because if your machine is shutting down, it's not getting to this point, how do you go back? Windows has a way of sending us to a point where we will restore our machines, because you have created it. It has a point where you go and will restore. When your machine starts up, you see that your machine will send you to what? A recovery mode. Now that recovery mode is where you go to what? Get your machine restored, especially if it's not booting to desktop. Yes. So if you want me to do a video on that, you can comment in the comment box. I'll see how important that is. Then I'll create another video on that. Thank you, friends of computers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to receive any video that is being released. Here is Purposely IT, and we deal with what? Anything computer. You will become a better and a well-equipped friend of computer. Stay blessed and take care, friends. We'll meet again.